Hello there. Welcome to our video. Recently, I uploaded a short video on modified chopper bike made from Yamaha. Here are the details about this chopper. So let's get started. This chopper might not look promising, but it kinda look good. The tank is custom made from scraps. Not every part of this is old. Many new parts are also included. Let's take a look at handlebar. Can't really say a bar more like horns of an angry bull. We really worked hard on chrome finishing. The brake calipers are also new installed. The main thing that I forgot was that this bike is driven on 2 sprocket chains. Rear tire is rather bulky, and I kinda like bulky tires even on Yamaha YBR. Coming to engine room, here we have Yamaha overhead CAM engine with stock carburetor. The gear lever is turned in a rod because there are no clutch levers on handlebar. Therefore, we managed to shift the clutch to the left foot rest and rear brakes to right foot, even though this bike does not have front brakes. Not to worry, the rear brakes can handle the braking system perfectly due to its dual piston caliper. Let's a quick tour on this bike's customization, certainly. Here's a more detailed description of a custom-made chopper bike. A custom chopper bike is a uniquely designed motorcycle that has been extensively modified and customized to create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Starting with a base motorcycle, which is often a popular model known for its performance and reliability, the customization process involves transforming it into a work of art that reflects the owner's personality, preferences, and style. Frame modification. The first step in building a custom chopper is frame modification. Skilled bike builders or fabricators may extend the frame, creating a longer and more stretched out appearance. The front end is often raked, meaning the angle of the forks is increased, which contributes to the chopper's iconic low and long look. Extended front forks. To complement the elongated frame, custom choppers typically feature extended front forks. These are usually longer than the original forks, creating a distinct front-end design. The front forks may be traditional telescopic forks or even Springer forks, which have a more vintage and nostalgic appeal. Custom handlebars. Handlebars play a crucial role in defining the riding posture and aesthetics of a chopper. There are various handlebar styles to choose from, including ape hangers, tall upward curving bars, Z-bars, Z-shaped bars, drag bars, low straight bars, and more. The choice of handlebars can significantly impact the bike's overall look and riding experience. Custom paint jobs. The paint job is a major highlight of any custom chopper. Owners often work with skilled artists or painters to create intricate and eye-catching designs. Vibrant colors, pinstriping, flames, and airbrushed artwork are common elements in chopper paint jobs. The custom paintwork serves as a representation of the owner's personality and is often a conversation starter among fellow bikers. Minimalistic styling. Choppers are known for their minimalist approach, where unnecessary components and accessories are removed. Fenders might be shortened or removed entirely, and the bike's appearance is kept clean and uncluttered. This minimalistic styling emphasizes the essential elements, such as the engine, frame, and wheels. Custom wheels and tires. Wheel and tire choices are essential in defining the chopper's appearance and handling. Custom wheels, often with elaborate spoke designs, are popular among chopper builders. Wide rear tires give the bike a more substantial and powerful look, while narrow front tires contribute to the elongated front-end design. Engine upgrades. While some choppers focus on aesthetics, others incorporate engine upgrades to improve performance and power. Engine modifications might include increasing displacement, enhancing airflow and exhaust systems, and upgrading components for better horsepower and torque. Individual expression. Custom chopper building is an art form that allows individuals to express their creativity and personal tastes. Each chopper is a reflection of its owner's unique vision and style, making it a deeply personal and satisfying project. Safety and compliance. It's important to note that while choppers are about personal expression, they must still comply with safety regulations and standards. Ensuring proper brakes, lighting, and other safety features are essential for a safe and enjoyable riding experience. Building a custom chopper requires a passion for motorcycles, creativity, and attention to detail. The process may involve collaborating with skilled fabricators, painters, and mechanics to bring the owner's vision to life. The result is a stunning and head-turning motorcycle that stands out from the crowd and represents the embodiment of its owner's dreams and desires. By the way, I think you guys haven't subscribed yet, so please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting, informative videos. Our efforts need your assistance and appreciation, so let's go on a ride.